Good afternoon, residents of Teso North. I wish to update the constituents on the development surrounding Changara Division. Today, in the National Assembly, I presented a statement to the Speaker of the National Assembly for consideration for tabling and reading tomorrow on the status of Changara Division. The statement made by the Honorable John Waluke, MP for Sirisha, last week on the 12th, Thursday of this month, was erroneous and gave a wrong impression that Changara belonged to was a division that is within Bungoma. The correct position legally is that Changara Division is in Busia County, Teso North Sub-County, Teso North constituency. And this is supported by all legal records and also administrative records. I have raised in that statement that the Member of Parliament for Sirisha should withdraw those remarks and apologize to the people of Teso North and especially the people of Changara Division. I also want to state that the residents of Changara and the people of Teso North have lived harmoniously. It is provocative for the member of Sirisha to incite the public, especially the Itaso and the Bukusu, who live in that division and have lived for many years peacefully. As I seek to follow the formal redress and avenues, and before the reading of the statement, I wish to appeal the people of Teso North and especially the people of Changara to remain peaceful and harmonious and not to be directed by wrong assertions by the Honorable Member from Sirisha. I thank you.